Welcome to our in-depth review of the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro Z24. This iconic muscle car seamlessly blends classic design elements with modern innovations, offering enthusiasts a thrilling driving experience. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Camaro Z24 showcases a bold and aggressive stance. Its sculpted lines and aerodynamic contours not only enhance its visual appeal, but also improve performance by reducing drag. The front fascia features a redesigned grille flanked by sleek LED headlights, providing a contemporary yet timeless look. The muscular hood hints at the power beneath, while the rear is accentuated by updated taillights and a subtle spoiler, emphasizing the car's sporty nature. Available in a range of vibrant colors and wheel options, the Camaro Z24 allows for personal customization to suit individual tastes. Moving to the interior, the Camaro Z24 offers a driver-centric cabin that combines comfort with advanced technology. Premium materials are evident throughout, with options for leather-appointed seating and customizable ambient lighting, creating an inviting atmosphere. The cockpit is designed to keep the driver engaged, featuring a flat-bottom steering wheel and ergonomically placed controls. The latest Chevrolet infotainment system is housed within a responsive touchscreen, supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. Additionally, a premium audio system delivers crisp sound quality, enhancing the overall driving experience. Safety and convenience are prioritized, with features like a head-up display, rear-view camera, and advanced driver assistance systems, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Under the hood, the 2025 Camaro Z24 is powered by a robust 6.2-liter V8 engine, delivering an impressive 455 horsepower and 455 grams of torque. This powerhouse enables the Camaro to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds, showcasing its performance pedigree. The engine is paired with a choice of a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic transmission, catering to both purists and those seeking convenience. The Camaro's performance is further enhanced by its refined suspension system, providing sharp handling and a responsive ride. Brembo brakes offer exceptional stopping power, while available performance packages can elevate the driving dynamics to track-ready levels. Pricing for the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro Z24 starts at a competitive $32,495, offering a compelling value proposition in the performance car segment. Depending on selected options and packages, the price can increase, allowing buyers to tailor the vehicle to their preferences and performance desires. In conclusion, the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro Z24 stands as a testament to Chevrolet's commitment to delivering a muscle car that honors its heritage while embracing modern advancements. With its striking exterior design, comfortable and tech-savvy interior, exhilarating performance, and accessible pricing, the Camaro Z24 continues to captivate driving enthusiasts and remains a formidable contender in the sports car arena. For a more immersive look into the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro Z24, check out the following video.